Our new options tier is officially live. I'm going to break down exactly what it entails so you can join in if you'd like. So this is not going to be like any of the normal trading videos. This is going to be no trading education. I'm just going to be going over what our new tier consists of. Now, this is a signals-based tier. So if you're looking to get into trading, or maybe you are currently trading, but you want a little more hands-on learning, right? You want to follow the leads of a professional trader. We've just started our own stock options tier. Now, you must be on each morning at market open at 9:30 a.m. Easternish, around that time, and you're going to be trading live with our professional winger for around an hour or so. And we also have other exclusive signals throughout the day in case you don't make the first live, but you really want to be on each morning. So I'm going to go through exactly what you're going to get and show you guys some results, because this is by far the best options group out there, especially for its price. All right, we could be charging double, triple the amount we're charging. We're not doing this for money. We're doing this because we genuinely want to help you. So let's go through everything very briefly. All right, 50 plus signals a month. This is definitely on the low end. You'll probably receive a lot more, but 50 plus signals a month. Winger has 5+ years of trading with a tracked 80% plus win rate. The past 2 years, I've fully vetted this trader. We've been talking for a while. He actually does option signals in the pro Discord. The only difference is that in the VIP, in the EzOptions tier, he'll be doing it live, so you can follow along with him to get the fastest possible entry. So again, you're going to attend the daily calls, follow the trades live, and then profit. And this is a little bit about Winger. He mainly trades the large cap stocks and ETFs like SPY, the Qs, and other large cap stocks during market open each morning. All right, and if you're interested, you can click this link. It's $149 a month, and I'm going to show you why that is not that much money. You'll most likely make that up with one play, even if you're trading one contract. So let's jump into the Discord here. So this morning, you can see we're 2 for 2, had some amazing plays on Microsoft. We're on an 11 win streak. We have not had a single losing day yet. And you can see we're posting results each and every day. These are from the live calls. Again, even if you're trading with one contract, guys, you make 50%, right? You made the subscription back in literally one call. More trades, over 200%, 28%, 33%. This is all in a matter of minutes to an hour, guys. So this happens super, super fast. Again, the Q is 28%, too easy, something light. Shout out Chris, he's been absolutely crushing. Even if you're not trading with a large capital, again, you don't need thousands of dollars to make money trading, guys. With this tier, if you have $1,000 capital to start trading, you're good to go. All right, we're getting 39%. Even some smaller plays, 10%, right? So when you join, here's what it will look like. We have the announcements, we have the basics. We're gonna add some more things to these channels in the future. Like I said, we have just started this tier. We have the questions chat, the strategies, options chat, and then the exclusive signals. So this is separate from the lives, but any signals that are exclusive to the EzOptions group will post here. As you can see, we're banking 100% profits yesterday on that Microsoft call. Again, today we had the 24%, 22%. And then here in the live trading, this is where all the action is going to take place. So when you join the live, Winger is going to be sharing his screen. Everyone in chat will be muted. If you have a question, you can unmute yourself and ask, but we really want everyone to be quiet so we can share his screen, explain his reasoning behind entering, and then also give you guys time to enter as well. And when he's entering these day trades, he'll type it up on the screen. He'll type it up on the trading view chart. So you know the exact strike price, the exact expiration date for these calls. So you're literally entering as quickly as possible with Winger. So like I said, if you are an options trader, if you know roughly how to enter, how to exit, the basics such as what a call and a put are, we have our cheat sheet here for those that don't know. But if you're already an options trader, you'll make this up in 1 or 2 plays, all right? And for those of you that want a little more hands-on experience, if you want signals and you want to follow the trades of someone that's actually doing it, that's made multiple 6 figures profit trading options, then this is your shot, all right? This is where you want to be. $149 a month is around $5 a day. You guys will make that up in 1 or 2 plays, like I said, and these plays are going out each and every day. All you have to do is hop on live in New York Open. And also, besides the signals, you're actually learning why he's entering the trade. Right? Like I said, we have strategies here. He's posting some strategies that he uses to enter, but you can actually learn yourself. So not only are you getting signals, not only are you making money, but you're actually learning along the way. So you're making money while you're learning. You're getting the best of both worlds. And here are the results of someone that has strictly followed the option signals just in pro, right? Just in pro, he's had over a 200% gain in the past, few weeks or so. So you can imagine the possibilities of actually joining the options tier and getting in these calls as soon as possible on live. So if you guys are interested, go to www.ezoptions.co. First link in the description below. You can read up more about this tier and what's possible with it. And I hope to see all of you guys inside if you are an options trader. The value is going to be unmatched. I promise there's no other signals options group that's doing what we're doing. Easy on top as always. So you guys know where to go if you want to join the group. Leave a like on the video if you enjoyed. Subscribe to the channel for more trading content. Huge updates coming out shortly. I'll see you guys soon.